What's going on, Hood Nation? Nidge here, DFX. We are checking out Finimation's Ultra Instinct Vegito vs. Jiren. This is a Dragon Ball Super parody. Now, before we begin, I saw my boy Prince Vegeta react to this. I didn't watch it. I saw he did it. So I know he's kind of my indicator. He's kind of my eyes and ears, to find new Dragon Ball things to react to. As you guys know, Dragon Ball's like literally one of my favorite things. I'm sure you guys are picking that up now. I've always loved anime, and I definitely have implemented it into my channel. This guy must be cool with reactions because he let Prince Vegeta do it and all the other reactors. So I myself is going to go ahead and react to it, and then I'm going to go check out Prince Vegeta's as well. Anyways, though, you guys should also check out the original. I'm going to see if this man has a Patreon, because if I end up reacting to him on a normal basis, I'll also be supporting him on Patreon, and you should do so too. Because remember, we at DFX support pretty much everybody on Patreon that we react to. Let's get this started. 3, 2, 1, go. And check out my gaming channel, meganidge. Finimation? Oh! I like that little flip right there.
He jumped! What a coward. Looks like there's no need to feud. I jumped and everyone thought I was eliminated. And then I jumped on the stage again. That was a joke.
Oh.
It was funny.
Whoa. Did he just clench his butt cheeks?
I've had enough of this bullshit. I'm going to end this tournament once and for all.
I want to see Gogeta though.
Looks like we're really gonna have to fuse after all, the cheetah. Give me the Batara carrot! I mean Kakarot! I only agreed to do this to beat him, okay? Not because I like you or something!
Yes, he does.
Hey, I've got you, buddy. Here!
Oh, I thought he was going for the reach around.
Let's do this, Vegeta!
You put it on the correct ear.
Shut up! I know!
Here comes that music. I'm afraid I might have to mute this song. I don't want to get in trouble for this damn song. Yes, there it is. Their fucking tongues were doing the worm and shit. Okay. Oh god, I got tears coming out of my eyes. I'm gonna have to mute that for a little bit. I do not want to get straight just in case this guy does. No offense to you, dude. I'm having a great time watching this, but this song, you don't mess around with Japanese music, man. They're crazy. I don't think
Jiren, you've been cocky since the beginning of this tournament.
Oh,
but not anymore.
Going in, baby.
What are you doing? I'm taking you two with me.
Yes, Frieza's gonna win.
What? No!
That's it.
So you're out, huh? Well, at least this big thick ass also got out. Kakarot's out. This is the time. This is the moment. This is my moment. Me, Prince Vegeta.
Okay, I'm back. Sorry, I had to take that phone call.
Hey, Vegeta! Kakarot, what have you done? It's not fair for you to just fight the enemy all by yourself, Vegeta. That's kind of selfish. You've broken the rules. Erased.
No!
Ah! Goku!
He escaped from the bench. Yay! Topo! Jiren pose! What's this all now? Oh, what's he gonna wish for?
What is your wish?
That was pretty funny though. Dude, this is hilarious, man. Oh my god, dude. Commission open voices. Prince Vegeta! Okay, it is Prince Vegeta that did the voice. Then he reacted to his own thing. The voice sounded familiar. That is awesome. Oh, I better wrap this up. Sorry, guys. Anyways, though, I thought that was hilarious, man. That made me laugh pretty hard. I love the worm. Their tongues are doing the worm and shit, you know. Yeah, that was just great. Like, this is top notch right here. I don't know how long this guy's been doing it. He's only got 9,000. It's over 9,000 subscribers, but hey, you know, you got to start somewhere, you know. And for only making 9 videos. And look at that, he made a parody before Vegeta gets Ultra Instinct, which now I'm going to definitely want to watch that, and I'll tribute to Bulma. Oh, I know, I'm so sad. Our real voice actor of Bulma passed away, but it is what it is, you know, not much you can do about it. So, but anyways, I'm not trying to end this on a super sad note here. I hope you guys definitely did enjoy the reaction. If you guys want to join Hood Nation or their channel, I'm going to start putting stuff up, including Prince Vegeta, since he is part of the voice acting in here. And I know I mentioned him way at the start. And like always, you know, we got that playlist to get your feet wet. If I ain't a cup of tea, y'all go find it. It's out there. Believe it. This is Nidge from DFS.